$5 footlongs are back when you buy 2 for a limited time.
Monday, this boat Vance is a force of nature.
I didn't expect this to happen at all. So good.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Missouri Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Do not look at the supernova. It will kill anyone who looks at it. To protect your life, shelter in place until an all clear has been given by authorities. Cover all windows with thick blankets and curtains to prevent accidentally looking outside. Please stay calm during the situation. Repeating, do not look at the supernova. Stay tuned to local TV and radio stations for further information.